All right, let's look at another example on how to verify. So I have secant theta plus tangent theta equals cosine theta over 1 minus sine theta. Now you don't always have to work the one on the left-hand side. My general rule of thumb is if it's a fraction and they give it to me as a fraction, that's the side I'm going to work. So I'm going to work this side right here. Well, I'm going to do the trick by multiplying by the conjugate for the denominator. I'm going to introduce the number 1 to start me off. So I'm going to do cosine theta over 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. And this is multiplied by conjugate. All right, so when I multiply this, now I'm thinking steps ahead because when I multiply by the conjugate, I know I'm going to get a cosine, so I'm not going to distribute my cosine here because I'm going to be able to cancel it out. So I'm going to do cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine squared theta. That's what we multiply by the conjugate, is to get into a Pythagorean identity so we can have more options. And this is just simply multiplication. All right, from here, 1 minus sine squared, that is cosine squared. So I have cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta over cosine squared theta. And that is just the Pythagorean. Now, my cosine and the square cancel. This gives me 1 plus sine theta over cosine theta. And this is just simplifying. From here, I'm going to split this. 1 over cosine theta. The reason why I know to split it is because I have two individual terms here. Plus sine theta over cosine theta. This is just a split. And at this point, 1 over cosine, well, there's my secant. And sine over cosine, there's my tangent. And this is the reciprocal and the ratio. And voila, nice, simple, straightforward verification. Guys, the only way you're going to be able to have a chance on doing this is you need to practice, practice, practice. That's why in the study guide, I think I have A through L for these to practice. And I have an answer key. Now here's going to be the challenging part. My answer key may not match up with your work. Your work may still be correct because there are more than one way to get to this final answer, to your final solution. There's more than one way. You could choose to work this side and it won't even look like this work. If you truly don't understand what's going on, you need to come to the Zoom tutorials. If your answer, if you think it's right, take a picture of it and message me, and I will look and see, did it work out correctly? If not, if you're not trying to do these and you wait for the grade, you are not going to be successful. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.